What's a white box challenge? It's real simple. I have a white box, like this one, filled with fun things. What's in it will be different for each challenge. Most items can be found in your home or in the great outdoors. In each video, I will reveal different contents. All you have to do is gather those items and start crafting. What you choose to do with them is entirely up to you and your imagination. The goal is to use your creativity and craft. Are you ready for your white box challenge? Let's open the box. We have some boxes. These are old boxes discarded. I'm sure during the pandemic we're all very familiar with these. And they don't have to be this small either. It could be whatever you have lying around. And it could be as big as this one. Or even this one. Then we have some craft paper, acrylic colors, PVA glue, some paintbrushes, and a pair of scissors. Now what can you make with these? Use your imagination.